Hi all, and welcome to our short intro video for the Chaplet of St. Monica. Let's see if I can hold it up here. We have St. Monica here on our medal, and this is my newest chaplet. I'm all excited about it, and it is a really lovely one. I just prayed with it for the first time, so let me tell you about what is involved with this. So you can see that we have a short drop with this chaplet, the medal at the bottom. My beads are clear, and then the larger beads are green. Obviously, this can differ depending on your design. So we have prayers on these two pendant beads and the medal both times around. So when we begin our chaplet, we have a prayer on the medal of St. Monica and Our Father, a short invocation for the Holy Spirit, and then we begin the main section of the chaplet. When we come back around, we use these two beads again and the medal again, which I'll come back to. But for each of these main segments, you can see that it starts down here and then continues above the centerpiece. There are 6 sections, and each one has a large bead and then 4 small. And on each of the 6 large beads, there are lovely, each one is slightly different, invocations to St. Monica, asking for her intercession. And then on the 4 smaller beads, you would pray 4 Hail Marys. And so you do that 6 times. Like I mentioned, each of the 6 prayers are slightly different from each other on the larger beads. And then when you come around, we have a prayer asking for the intercession of St. Monica on the first of the 2 drop beads, and then a prayer asking for the intercession of St. Augustine, and then a final prayer at the medal. And I've also included in the audio recording, this took me about 10 minutes to pray, so not very long. And what I also included on the audio recording is the short, if you're using this in the context of St. Monica's Novena, her feast day is August 27th, and what's today's date? Let me look at my calendar. Today is the 18th. So this will be the day that her novena begins every year. And so if you are using this in the context of her novena, I have the short novena prayer included at the end. But if you were praying this just on its own, you could just exclude that if you wanted. But that is included in the audio. And so I hope that there are many of you joining me in this novena. This is the first time that I have ever prayed this particular chaplet, and it is really, really quite beautiful. So I hope that you'll join me, and let's move on over to the prayers.